My name is Clara. I am 27 years old. I have been married to Robert for 3 years. Robert is a kind man. He is calm and patient. I love him very much. But we do not live alone. We live with his mother. Her name is Olivia. Olivia is 60 years old. She wakes up early every morning and sits in the kitchen, watching everything. She always tells me what to do. I cook, I clean the house, I wash the dishes, and I do the laundry. Olivia rarely helps. She just gives me more work. At first, I thought it was normal. Many families live together. I told myself it would be fine. But slowly things started to change. Olivia never lets me rest. If I sit on the sofa, she calls me.
Clara, can you bring me a glass of water?
If I go to my room, she calls again.
Clara, can you help me in the kitchen?
Sometimes I am already cooking, but she still asks me to make something else. If I try to take a nap, she calls again.
Clara, can you fold the laundry?
It happens every day. Every hour. I feel tired all the time. I feel nervous, even in my own room. Sometimes Olivia enters our room without knocking. She says she is looking for something. She also checks my things when I am not home. I know this because my clothes are not in the same place. My things look messy and strange. One evening I told Robert, we need to talk. He listened quietly. Then I said, we need our own place. Robert shook his head.
I cannot leave my mother alone.
He said. I felt angry and tired at the same time. Robert, I said, I feel like a servant here. Your mother is making me crazy? But nothing changed. Olivia still called me all the time. Olivia still entered our room. Olivia still checked my things. One morning I woke up and felt very tired inside. Not just in my body, but in my heart. That day I packed my suitcase. Robert sighed and asked,
What are you doing?
I said quietly, I cannot live like this anymore. Then I left. I moved into a small apartment. It was quiet and peaceful. For the first time in a long time, I felt calm. 2 weeks later, someone knocked on my door. It was Robert. He looked tired.
Clara,
He said softly.
I miss you. I finally understand how you felt.
He told me he talked to his mother. He said we needed our own life.
If you are ready,
He said.
I want to live with you again.
I smiled. Now Robert and I live together in a small apartment. Every Saturday we visit Olivia. Then we go back home. And for the first time since our marriage began, our home finally feels like ours.